Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today showing around this BMW 4 Series 3.0 440i M Sport Coupe, which is a powerful and refined performance model finished in eye-catching blue and designed to deliver engaging and comfortable driving experience. At the front, the BMW 440i features bold kidney grille with gloss black detailing, LED headlights and M Sport aerodynamic styling, which give it aggressive and elegant presence. The side profile is completed by 18-inch M double-spoke alloy wheels, and at the rear, distinctive LED taillights and dual chrome exhaust outlets underline the performance credentials. Around the back, the boot offers practical load area for a coupe suitable for weekend luggage or everyday items, and the split folding rear seats add flexibility when you need to carry longer or bulkier items. In the rear, individual rear seats offer more personal seating layout, ideal for occasional passenger or shorter journeys. And up front, the cabin features sporty and premium electrically adjustable front sport seats with driver memory and heating provide excellent comfort and support. They are also upholstered in optional Dakota leather. Behind the M Sport multifunctional leather steering wheel, the instrument cluster and sport displays provide clear driving information. Steering wheel mounted controls keep key functions easily accessible. Two-zone automatic climate control allows both driver and front passengers to set their preferred temperatures independently. An infotainment system is equipped with radio and media functions providing entertainment on the move. You also get communication and connectivity features supporting hands-free calls and audio streaming. Navigation offers clear route guidance and real-time traffic information. And you can also dive into the My Vehicle menus, displaying vehicle status, sport displays and driving data. The system also offers a feedback from the parking sensors, assisting with parking the vehicle in tighter spaces. This has been a presentation of the BMW 4 Series 3.0 440i M Sport. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.